Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to take you through our 2019 Mastercraft XT23. This boat's the yellow with the silver metal flake. It's got the cool teak swim deck on the back. Got the sea deck step through. This boat has gray interior with gray snap-in carpet, wakeboard tower, surf racks, Plush tower speakers. It's got the rear filler cushion for the back, ski tow bar for water skiing and tubing. This boat has tons of storage, gauges over the dash, surf control and wakeboard controls over here. It's got the nice bucket seat with the flip-up bolster. Tons of storage in this boat. Hideaway built-in cooler. Big storage under the full bench seat here. Nice long bow, sitting on front speakers, anchor locker right there. It's a great boat for wakeboarding, wake surfing, skiing, tubing, just an all-around great family boat and great riding boat. Come and check us out at MarineMax in Greenville, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com and come and see our 2019 XT23.